This is the 1969 Chevelle that stopped traffic at SEMA 2025. Velocity Restorations partnered with Dutchboys Hotrods to build a 1,000 rear-wheel horsepower statement piece, finished in a custom 3-stage Aurelium Bronze Pearl from BASF Glasurit that shifts from copper to deep amber under the lights. Underneath the bodywork sits a Roadster Shop Fast Track chassis, dialed in for both the show floor and a real road. The rear quarters were grafted from a '68 Chevelle for cleaner flares.
Past few years, one of our really good customers, he's got a couple of our builds, wanted something really unique, really crazy.
The bumpers were tucked, and the front splitter was hand-built in-house. From the first walk-around at the Velocity shop in Pensacola, you can tell this car was engineered to be driven as hard as it looks.
Him on. It was really a pleasure to build this car. We're going to get into some of the details about what makes this car so special. One thing that you notice about this car when you walk up on it is the color. And you know, it's not only the color, it's how flawless this body is. It is laser straight. It's got really crisp edges. It just has a lot of flop, a lot of tone. Inside it looks different, outside it looks different, but this is truly what sets this thing apart, and this is a BASF Glasurit product. It is what we spray every day. Beautiful paint job on this car. So you look at the front of it, still looks like a Chevelle. We didn't want to get too crazy with it, but we did create this lower valance in the front. It's hand fabbed.
Walk around the body and the details start to land. The grille was reshaped and recessed, the headlights were tightened into the fenders, and every shut line was reworked. Greening Auto Company supplied the 3-piece billet wheels, finished in matching bronze and wrapped in...
You know, have really been modernized a little bit. It's not so soft, but we still got the stock grille in it, modern headlights. Just wanted to give it a little bit of a sex appeal up front, and I think we nailed it. Obviously, the wheels are what makes or breaks a car.
Pirelli rubber that fills out the arches without a hint of stretch. Out back, the team cut a fully custom rear diffuser to balance the splitter up front, and the Chevelle script rear panel sits between sculpted tail lamps. The roofline carries a subtle integrated spoiler.
We reached out to Jesse at Greening Auto Company, said, hey, we want a really special wheel for this car. What can you build us? We came up with some designs. Jesse was able to bring this design to life. This is a 3-piece billet wheel. We got 19s in the front. We've got 20s in the rear, 335 tire in the back to hold all that horsepower. But it's not only the wheel. You can see those 14-inch Baer brakes behind here when you got all that horsepower.
That flows into the deck. Velocity-exclusive billet door handles replace the factory chrome, and the trim has been color-matched all the way around. It is Restomod discipline applied to a muscle car silhouette.
Everything works really well in this car, and that really bright bronze color actually makes these wheels jump pretty good. Another good cool feature about this car that I really like. So the mirrors on the So we designed a new billet mirror for this car, really flows with it. Designed a billet door handle, something that you don't see every day. There's no visible button on the outside.
Behind those bronze billet wheels are Baer 6-piston big brake calipers at all 4 corners, with cross-drilled rotors sized for serious stopping power. Pop the hood and the headline is a Nelson Performance twin-turbo LS427.
Kind of hides a little bit of technology there, doing something different that you haven't seen before. So some really cool wheels, trick billet on this thing, just a couple options to set this car apart. The back end of this car is super sexy, and we talked about this car being a 69, but we actually rebodied the whole back half of this car to look like
forged short block tucked under a pair of mirror-polished snails, feeding an air-to-air setup with stainless plumbing. Power lands at the rear wheels right around the 1,000 mark, and that power is routed through a Tremec T-56 six-speed manual, because at Velocity, the gearbox has three.
It's just the look that we were going for. A lot of hand fab components back here. You can see this rear spoiler's been handmade out of aluminum. Your rear valence down here, the splitter, everything down here has been built out of aluminum, hand built. Really turned out super clean. It looks like something that you buy.
Pedals and a stick. Every fitting, every clamp, every wire loom in the bay was treated like bodywork. This is a car you can stand next to for an hour and keep finding details.
Car, the color really pops back here no matter how that light hits it. It just turned out really clean. We did a really nice trunk closeout in the back end of this thing. Just something clean and modern, nothing crazy, but just the interior in this car really turned out killer. If you want to talk about modern muscle car interior, this is the essence of what.
Step inside and the tone shifts from raw to refined. Recaro Expert M seats sit on color-matched leather, stitched to echo the bronze on the body. A Sparc Industries steering wheel, a Velocity-exclusive design, frames a Holley EFI Pro Dash.
You can actually see this accent color from the wheels that we brought in as well. A little bit of piano black. All this has been hand constructed by our team here at Velocity. The entire trim team, they did such a good job with this car. You know, and that's what's cool about modern hot rod, you know, interiors, is you get a chance to modernize it and make it look like those new cars, but still have the hot rod appeal. This thing's got a really cool cage that was built into it, really low profile next to the seat, so you can get in and out of the car very easily. It's got Recaro seats, really comfortable. We've got our harnesses in it if you really want to do some, you know, autocross or a little bit of racing in this thing. So you can
that pulls live data from the twin turbo motor. The roll cage is fully wrapped and color matched, so it disappears into the cabin instead of fighting it. Audio comes from a Focal component system tied to an Alpine head unit, hidden cleanly inside custom panels.
Dash, constructed a new one. When you sit in this thing, it just feels natural. Your interior in a car like this is like your living room. You sit in your living room and you're uncomfortable, you don't want to be in it, you know? So that's what's awesome about this car. You sit in it, you don't want.
Door cards, headliner, console, and even the trunk floor were treated with the same level of attention you see on the engine bay. This is a SEMA car you could actually live with on a Saturday morning drive.
Comfortable, it's got technology built into it. We've got our go fast button in here, so if we want to turn up our horsepower, we can switch maps. Machined a really nice shifter arm, shifter ball for our 6-speed manual. So this car's got an e-stop. It doesn't have the old manual parking brake.
Velocity Restorations and Dutchboys Hotrods, 1,000 horsepower of bronze fury, built to drive.
We've got our vintage air AC controls down here, and it all just blends in so well and just feels like a modern car. Got our Sparc Industries steering wheel with the Velocity design. Jonathan always knocks it out of the park for us. And one of the big, so it's all digital. So this car's got a Holley Terminator standalone on it, and this works in conjunction with that standalone. So when you turn this thing on, you got all this different stuff that you can control, customize, and do just about anything you want. And you've got a really nice clean view of your dash. Got a really badass focal stereo system in this thing. It will blow your hair back. It's got 2 subs in this thing. I mean, the audio is so wicked. So focal, super quality there. Got that. It just all comes together so well. All right, we popped the hood on this Chevelle. You're used to seeing a lot of, so this is a Nelson Racing 427 LS with 72 millimeter twin turbos. This thing makes power. This is not something that you see every day. We made right at 1,000 horsepower on a hot tune on this car. It's got a 6-speed manual in it, so it's very controllable, does everything you want it to do. Super clean in here, a lot of, got carbon fiber master power brakes booster over there. Just super clean. I really love it. It screams race car, but screams elegant at the same time. So we talked about the power, we talked about the paint, the brakes, the wheels. Obviously the foundation of this car is a Roadster Shop Fast Track chassis. It's got a 9-inch rear, drives amazing, super solid, handles all that horsepower. All right guys, we just went over our 69 Chevelle, some really cool. It is sexy. It is what sets this thing apart. If you're interested in getting a hold of us, go to our website, Velocity Restoration.